Thank you so much for following us through. As we promised you, we're going to keep you updated and report to you online and how we've been going through with the FINAMIC projects fam. And we've actually done a whole lot. We're actually in the conclusive part and moving on to the production aspect. So the next video you're going to see us taking you through the administrative quarters, how we've been, and I'm very sure you've been following through how it has been from day. Thank you so much for following us, and we promise that we'll keep you updated till even into production. If you can trust us enough to call us to help you achieve this dream, trust me, we'll be there for you to help you achieve your dream. Reach out to the numbers on your screen right now, and why not? There'll be somebody on the other side of the line to answer your call. Thank you so much.